Paul McNamara. I work for the Hamilton City Council. Do a lot of mowing for the sports side of it on turf, on the sports grounds between the cricket and the football in the winter. Cutting at 30mm, cutting at that on the soccer fields, and then we do cut at 50mm for rugby fields. At this S5 now since Christmas, so 5-6 months now. With a smaller mower in a park, it could take 3 hours to mow. Well, with the S5, I can go on there with that, and I could probably cut that down within an hour and a half. At sports areas, they've got big banks on the hills. So, you know, I mow it along the side. It holds the banks real well. It makes a nice job on a nice sunny day. Throws it out lovely, and that's what I like about it. And the wings coming up when you've got it in the transport mode, you know, but now because it's straight flush up with the tractor, you can see straight down with your mirrors. So you don't have that angle on it. Very reliable, yes, it is. There's no, I haven't had any issues with it, and don't have to go for any spindles, any bearings, or any belt tensions. Now this has been like I said, probably 4 to 5 months. I haven't had any issues, you know, with Trimax. We've always had them, and they've just got better. There's a lot of benefits with the S5, the new one, what they've done with that. It's got the curb jump. You can just look in the mirror, lift the lever up, in your mirrors, it jumps into curb jump, over the top of the footpath, drop them down again, back into float, and you're away mowing. One, that it's less time of mowing. If you've got quite a few acres to mow, and if you're mowing every day, it cuts your time down. In a park, and on a small tractor and a mower, it takes you 6-7 hours to mow an area, where you can come in with this, you'd have it done in 3, you can cut, and it's quick, efficient, it's a beautiful cut. And when I'm out here mowing, I enjoy it. I'm outdoors, I'm in my happy place. Got a good tractor plus the good mower, it makes your job easier. This S5, great. It hasn't missed a beat on the grass, and I love it. And I would not want to be using anything else.